Dang, she is dirty. Man, haven't driven her over a week now. So dirty. We'll get that changed today, obviously. Got the daily right here. Got a bunch of mods of her coming soon. Just watched it. Looks hella good. Got a bunch of stuff coming for that car soon. And when I say soon, I'm pretty sure there's like 6 packages at my parents' house waiting for that car right now. Alright, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be pretty cool. As promised, we got a mod for the E92 M3. As it probably says in the thumbnail and title, we got a GTS style carbon fiber diffuser from Rush Customs to slap on the M3. It's going to be so sick. I can't wait to get that. And then also, I think I'm going to get the Varus style one to put under it. It looks super sick. A lot of cars do that as an M3s. I'll throw a picture on the screen of what that looks like right now. Looks pretty badass. I think we're gonna do that. So let's get some gas. It's $4.65 here in California right now at the local Chevron. Get some gas, head over to my parents' house, unbox the diffuser, and get it installed. It should be pretty sick. And then obviously, we need a car wash bad. Hopefully that intro worked out, because that was like the 5th time filming that intro, and I've been at this gas station for like 5 minutes. So yeah, hopefully that one worked out. Look at this, 465. 465 at Chevron. That's crazy. All right, made it to my parents' house. Had the M3 back like halfway in the garage because it's very, very windy outside. And yes, my parents' house, their garage is carpeted because they don't park their car in here. It's more for like guitars and records and stuff. So that's why it's carpeted. It's not really a garage. It's meant more for, I don't know, man cave. I don't really know. But the M3 is in here. And we got a bunch of packages, so let's get started. So we got a few packages here. This is a something for the E90. It is the wow, I ordered so much stuff for that car, like little stuff. It is the trunk spoiler. I got a trunk spoiler for the E90. That is obviously a wrap. We are wrapping the roof black on the E90 because it was sun baked, like clear coat damage. So we're gonna sand it down and wrap it black. So I think those 2 mods right there will be in the episode number 2 of Project E90. And then this right here, if we go up to the top, E92 M3 GTS carbon diffuser. So we're gonna unbox that right now and clean up this, if it would focus. It's so dirty it won't even focus. There it goes. It's filthy. So clean up this and install it, and hopefully it looks good. So let's find out. All right, for some reason I love these transitions, so let's get this thing unboxed real quick. Just like that, we got a beautiful carbon fiber diffuser. It's gonna look so sick. So I did get this from Rush Customs, and man, it looks really good. I mean, it looks killer. The carbon, like you see myself, oh, it looks so good, dude. I can't wait to get this on the car. But first, we're gonna clean this up. And if you guys look, the tips aren't straight. So I wanna figure that out first. See, this one's a little low, that one's a little higher. I wanna get those down like that. And so we're gonna figure that out right now. I'm gonna try to get that fixed and then clean this up, throw the diffuser on there, and hopefully it's gonna look sick. Let's get it. All right, so I messed with this side. It's honestly like, not much better. It's a tiny bit better, but still a little messed up. What I'm gonna do right now is take off all 4 tips and then install the diffuser and then put the tips back on and try to realign it that way. Yes, I've tried to adjust the tips themselves to make it line up a little better, but it's still a little off. So let's take out the tips, clean it, install the diffuser. I'll show you how to install it, and then we'll go from there. All right, so we got both sides of tips off, as you guys can see. Cleaned the bumper. As you guys can also see, it's still very dirty. You can see the dirt line right there. But it's actually gonna be a super easy install. So if you guys see these 4 holes right there, or not holes, but 4, yeah, holes I guess you can call them, little tabs. They go into that nut, or bolt, that bolt, and that's one on each side of the bumper right there, and right there. So we're gonna undo those, and then put this on there, and hopefully it works. I might throw some 3M tape right there and some 3M tape right there, but we'll see. Let's get those off first, test fit it, and see how it goes. So we got all 4 of the 8 mils off. Now let's test fit this thing. I'm pretty sure it's gonna test fit good, but let's find out right now. All right, and there it is. I went ahead and put it on, so I'll show you guys how I put it on. Got the one Bolt right here, one bolt right there, one right there like I was talking about earlier, and one down there. The fitment is okay. I'm not gonna say it's perfect because it's not perfect. Got double-sided sticky tape right here. Little fitment issue right there. Through here is good. A little bit right there, not too bad. And right there is probably the worst. See? It just comes off a little bit right there. Barely noticeable, but still kind of not upset, but damn, I wish I had a little bit better fitment, but beggars can't be choosers. It looks really, really good. Let me throw the tips on there and then really show you guys what it looks like. And there it is. Tips on, cars down the ground, everything. It looks really good, honestly. The tips, I evened them out a little bit more. They're actually perfect now. You guys see, perfect. They look massive in there. Everything looks good. Fitment is okay, like I said. That's the only part that kind of OCD pisses me off a little bit. That's all right. But man, this car is coming together really well. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I really want to get a GTS link from this car. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's right here on the screen. Go give me a follow on Instagram. I've been kind of not posting a lot lately, but that's gonna change because we're doing a little bit of a photo shoot today, so that'll be cool. But yeah, car looks so good. I really want to get a GTS wing. I really want to do the Varis under cage, under panel diffuser also, so that should look sick. Car's coming together. Let's put it out in the sun and check it out in the sun. And there it is in the sun. It's really windy out here, sorry about that, but there it is. It looks so good. So yeah, there it is. So now we got the carbon roof, the carbon duckbill thing, the carbon GTS diffuser, carbon side skirts, and the GT4 carbon front lip. All we need next is a GTS spoiler wing. I really want one. I think it looks sick. But yeah, look at it. I think it looks good. Car's coming together quite nicely. Whew. I think it looks pretty sick. Dang, dude. With this carbon here, with the big front lip. This car looks so good. Looks so good, but now, since that's all done, we're headed to the car wash because this thing needs a bad wash bad. It needs a car wash bad. So, I'll catch you guys at the car wash in like 2 seconds. All right, got the car all cleaned up now. Diffuser's still looking sick. All clean. God, this car's coming together so nicely. Now we're gonna head to somewhere to go take some photos, and I guess I'll see you guys there. All right, so we made it to this spot here. It's kind of like by my local old college, actually I dropped out of. I thought it'd be cool to take some photos here. Look at that, perfectly in the middle. I'm just doing iPhone photos because I'm not a photographer. So this is our first spot, and then I have one more spot over there that we're gonna do, but I think this is a pretty sick spot, so let's get it. I was gonna shoot right there, but there's someone there, it looks like, and I really don't wanna go in there and bug someone, so we're gonna shine that spot. We gotta, honestly, for being an iPhone, we got a few bangers. I'll throw them on the screen right now, and you can check them out on my Instagram. Again, if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's right here on the screen. Give me a follow. I don't know why you wouldn't. All right, one more look at the GTS diffuser. Dang, it looks good, man. It looks so good. All right, back in my garage, it's empty because the M3 is parked down in the front. Obviously, you just saw that. But that's where we're gonna close off today's video, guys. If you guys did enjoy, please smash the like button, comment down below, subscribe down below. It's the road to 10K. Hope you guys did enjoy the diffuser install. It doesn't have the best fitment, but it's still pretty good, so I'm pretty stoked still on it. Just like that, this video is over. Keep a lookout for episode 2 of Project E90. That should be out in a few days. But like that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.